Hey guys, so today we were able to make a profit of $42 from a $12 deposit. That's roughly times three. So currently the capital is sitting at $57. So when you look at this, you discover that the trades today we are populated by 75. Like the trades today are mainly dominated by the V75 trades. Overlook the first one. Let's start from when this deposit was made. This was a deposit of $12.73, and here are the trades that I took that gave this money. So now I'm gonna walk us through what it was I saw on the chart that made me know that this market was actually going to buy. Meanwhile, I didn't just take this trade alone. I also shared it with my community members, which is what I normally do. So to join us on Telegram, which is actually free, just look around this video or just go to Telegram, search for solutionfx underscore HQ at solutionfx underscore HQ. Look at it here, just search for it and then you can join us. It's free. Alternatively, look around this video, you're gonna see the link. Just click on the link and then join us there. So initially when I spotted the market, here is the first update I gave them. I said get ready. Now I set up cooking on V75. Once it's ready at my signal unleasher, you can see the signal. The update came around 12:49 p.m. Meanwhile, before then we had taken a trade earlier in the morning, that V75X trade. But the focus is just on this V75 buy we took. So after that, what did I see next? After updating them, what did I see? Okay, first of all, when you look at these markets on the daily time frame, discover that it's actually been in a downtrend for over a week. Market has actually been selling. So as it kept on selling, my focus was on the previous low it's made, which was around 71.5, and my focus was there. But eventually, what did market do? Market not just didn't just only take out that low, it even went lower than that, going to as low as 66,400. That was the low it made, 66,400, before it started buying. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So what did I see? After this market had gotten down to 66,400, the next thing he did was that he started buying. So he kept on buying, and then as it was buying, I was paying attention on this previous low. You can see this blue line here. I was paying attention to that, which was the previous low it made. So look at it, started buying. I was paying attention, but what happened? You can see the market actually went above that. It went above that, but the next candle, it closed above it quite alright. But the next candle that formed was a bearish candle. So that was the signal I needed for me to know that this market was actually going to retest this very trend line. So seeing that, I was also able to spot out this upsloping support, this very trend line, that's this black line. Now I was able to spot it out. So I knew that if market should come down to retest this very trend line, that it was gonna buy. So that was basically what I saw, and that made me share this signal with the community members. So let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. So after I spotted that, I saw that the market was actually coming down. Then that was when I shared this signal with the community members. Let me show that to us. You can see it here. Here is it. Buy V75 entry from 69.2 to the price shown on the chart risk wisely. You can see that. So I knew that this market was actually coming down to that trend line. So I shared it with them, and what happened next, you can see what market did. It actually came down again, came down to that very our entry, bought, and then what happened next, it started reversing. Me right now, we've closed 70% of our position, which was what I told them, because right now I think this market what it wants to do is that it probably wants to come down to retest this very trend line before going up. That's what I'm assuming. But like I said, I've told them to close 70% of their position while adjusting their stop loss. Alternatively, this could just continue. This could just buy. It could just come down to this 75 and then just take out this low you're seeing here, this week you're seeing here. You could just take out this week of rejection and then buy up to 72k, which is the final TP I gave them. But like I said, I've already instructed them to close 70% of their position. You can see that here is instruction. Yes, close 70% of your position here, just SL, and leave the rest. Okay, so that's just it. That's what I saw on this trade that made us to decide to take the buy. Like I said, I shared these trading signals every day in the Telegram community. So just search for you to participate. Just search for it or look around this video. Click on the link. Join us on Telegram. Daily market updates, daily trading signals, and of course, make sure you sign up on Deriv because that's the broker we are using. You also, when you look around this video, you're gonna see the registration link. So register on Deriv, sign up, verify, fund, and then let's milk Deriv. Let's bank on Deriv. All right, guys. So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys on today's episode. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, depending on whatever platform it is you're watching this from. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Ciao.